Welcome to the NetApp Support API Catalog walkthrough. The NetApp Support APIs provide a seamless way to automate support tasks, integrate with your NetApp systems, and access critical data with ease. Whether you're looking to streamline operations or enhance your current workflows, these APIs will empower you to unlock the full potential of your NetApp environment. Let's dive in and explore how to access and utilize this valuable resource. Start by logging into the NetApp Support Site at mysupport.netapp.com using your credentials. Hover over the Tools and Security navigation menu. Then scroll down and click on Support APIs. The introduction page offers a comprehensive overview of the Support APIs. On this page, you'll discover how these tools can automate tasks and integrate seamlessly with your systems. You can also access popular Support APIs. These shortcut links will change over time as new APIs are added to the catalog. Next, let's dive into how to get started. The Getting Started page provides prerequisites and general instructions. Here you'll learn how to generate an access token and make your first API call effortlessly. We've also included a link that illustrates examples of API calls with sample data. Click on Support API Request Samples to view these sample data. Generate and securely manage your credentials to ensure seamless access to the APIs. Remember, your access token is your key to unlocking these powerful tools. Once your token is generated, select an available API from the catalog. Click on API Catalog in the navigation menu to view the current list of APIs. Development is currently underway to add additional support APIs to this catalog. Be sure to log on often to view updates and gain access to new APIs. Utilize the Try It Out feature to test APIs directly in your browser before integrating it into your NetApp systems. Run a selected API, input parameters, and witness live responses in real time. For additional information and to access the user guide, click on the NetApp Support API User Guide link below. Alternatively, use the generative AI search on mysupport.netapp.com. Just search for API User Guide. To provide feedback, reach out to NG Support Site feedback at netapp.com. Your insights and feedback help us enhance your experience and streamline your support workflows. Thanks for watching.